Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do a walk around video of the 68 Hemi Charger. We just finished the restoration of this very original car. It was saved by David Paddock back in the mid-70s. He stored it away until I purchased it in 2017. This is a numbers matching car, engine, transmission, and all of its components on the engine are original. When we pulled it in to do the restoration, we cut the original exhaust off. Still had the original fan belt back in it was laying in the back seat. I have the original distributor in a box in the trunk. I changed it to electronic ignition. Here's its original trim tag. Let's see if it'll start for us today. Original door panels, door pads. Those are the original seats, original back seat, rear deck shelf. Here's a picture of the headliner. We restored the gauges. That's the original mileage, should be 74,000. Now let's turn the key and see what happens. Idling away. Has the optional rear speaker. Let's go under the hood. I'll give her some RPMs here. Take her around back and so you can see how she sounds. That's an original exhaust system with resonators. See, there they are. And we'll show you under the trunk, or in the trunk rather. No cut quarter panels or any garbage. There's the box with the distributor in it, and original coil, by the way. Original spare, original wheel, brand new tire, original jack. And this is the original floor, trunk floor rather. Did not need replacement. This is a very nice car to start with. Original wheel tubs, gas filler. I hope you guys like it. And it is an original dog dish steel wheel hubcap car too. Any questions, send me an email. Thank you, bye.